Firstly, Santam is South Africa's leading short-term insurer with over 27 billion rand of premiums under our management, which roughly equates to about a 22% market share. And this, coupled with our over 100 years of experience in delivering insurance good and proper, makes us the preferred insurance and risk partner for personal, commercial, agricultural, as well as corporate clients in South Africa. And we have a particular focus on the small and medium type enterprise through our products and risk solutions that are aimed at protecting their assets and managing their risk alongside their risk advisors. Now in its fourth year, the SME Summit is a perfect platform to connect small business owners with a wealth of information and networking opportunities with like-minded companies such as Santam that have a passion to see them succeed. And Santam being a business that understands the important role that SMEs play in the South African economy, and us being very embracive of inclusive economic participation, it's an absolute no-brainer for us to partner again with the summit and be part of the dialogue that seeks to enable and support small businesses in South Africa. I think what will continue to dominate trends would be the continuous advancement and innovation around technology. If you think like automation and robotics, as well as artificial intelligence and big data and the Internet of Things. So I think what we'll see is more and more businesses start building out digital ecosystems to start taking advantage of this. And I do also believe from a risk perspective, what small business owners will be faced with is the inconvenient systemic risk of load shedding in South Africa. And this would have a double whammy impact, I believe, potentially on small business owners, where on the one hand, it could potentially hold them back from investing and growing their businesses. And on the other hand, unfortunately, there's a high likelihood of this kind of systemic risk accelerating the rate at which some small businesses fail in South Africa. Certainly, as more businesses start operating in an e-commerce environment, it provides them with reach and access to a new potential client base. And I do believe this is an opportunity for small business owners to take their products and services into a digital ecosystem and give them access to new clients and through that give them the opportunity to create a step change in their business from a growth perspective. From a risk perspective and from Santam's side, I think we're excited to boldly follow into new markets that are being created by small business owners, and through our network of over 4,000 advisors and intermediaries, we hopefully also provide them with access to risk advisors who can coach them through the understanding of their risks, identifying their risks, mitigating those risks, and ultimately managing those risks in an integrated operating approach. Well, by connecting small businesses with each other, where they can collaborate, learn, share knowledge and insights and experiences, connecting them through a networking opportunity where they can seek out new potential partners, but also find mentoring opportunities, and then connecting them with corporates like Santam that gives them the ability to use that kind of proximity to advance their own cause a bit better. And I think that's the empowerment, and we're certainly glad to continuously be part of the dialogue and the conversation that seeks to drive and enhance the interest of small businesses in South Africa.